Hello, everyone. Sometimes in practice, you will see that in surveys, the government reports the codes of the states in America using what we call the FIPS code. For example, like here, right? So this is the Federal Information Processing System code for the states in America. So you can see that they have 2 digits. And an example is represented here in Stata. But let's say that for some reason you would like to transform this into a numerical variable. If you want to do that, we can simply type destring space, the name of the variable, in this case state, comma, replace, if that's what you want to do, like to replace this variable. In case you actually want to create a new variable, you have to use a gen command, and in parentheses, the name of the new variable. But in this case, we want to replace. And if we go back to the data editor, we can see how now all the variables are, or all the numbers of this variable are actually numbers and no longer a alphanumeric character. But if we want to go back, because this is like the situation that sometimes you will see or you will face in practice. If you want to go back from a numerical to a string variable, we're going to use the tostring command. It's tostring space, then the name of the variable, in this case state, comma, replace, once again, because we want to replace it. If you want to create a new one, then you use the gen command. And then you use the option format, and in parentheses, the percent sign followed by the number of digits that you want to include. But notice that I included a 0 before the digits, meaning that I would like to place a 0 in front of the numbers if this particular number has only 1 digit. Now I'm going to show you in the example. Then you can include decimals. In this case, I don't want to include any. And an F. You end with an F and with a parenthesis. If we go back, you can see that now all the numbers, all the first 9 numbers, which obviously have only 1 digit, includes now a 0. And you could follow exactly the same logic if you want to include more than 1 0. For example, suppose that you would like to have 3 digits, huh? So you do that, now you can see how all the numbers with less than 3 digits include zeros in front of the numbers, right? But in the case of the FIPS code, we would like to see only 2 digits like this, huh? Okay, so hopefully this was useful. See you next time.